Let me ask you a question. What's the first thing you do after sex? Cuddle, light a cigarette, or just knock out like you've completed some Hollywood romance scene? But here's the thing, most people skip the most important step, one that could literally save them from days of painful regret. And no, it's not texting your ex or giving yourself a performance rating. It's something so simple yet so powerful. Peeing. Yes, just going to the bathroom. It's pure science, approved by doctors and people who've been through the unforgettable burning sensation of a UTI when you have sex, especially penetrative sex. Bacteria from the skin and surrounding areas can sneak their way into your urethra, almost like germs slipping past security at a concert. And this is where urination comes in like your personal bodyguard. Peeing right after sex flushes those bacteria out before they get a chance to settle in and throw a wild infection party in your urinary tract. Think of it like a nightclub. The DJ was great, the vibes were perfect. But if you don't kick out the troublemakers at closing time, your urinary system's hosting an after-party you never wanted. And the playlist? Pure burn. The biggest health reason to make this a habit is avoiding urinary tract infections, or UTIs, especially for women, since the female urethra is much shorter. It makes the trip for bacteria super quick. Once they reach the bladder, symptoms can hit hard. Burning when you pee, weird cloudy urine, strange smells, and an annoying urge to pee even when your bladder is empty. But this whole nightmare can often be avoided with just one simple habit: peeing after sex. 1 minute at the bathroom could save you days of discomfort and antibiotics. And for the guys out there thinking, that's a women's problem. Nope, not true. Men can absolutely get infections too, especially if hygiene is neglected or you skip this simple step. Peeing after sex flushes bacteria out and prevents painful conditions like urethritis, which might sound like some fancy medical term but feels more like peeing broken glass. Everything looks fine until it crashes, and then it's too late. So the golden question, when should you pee? The answer, as soon as possible, ideally within 30 minutes. The sooner the better. And don't just squeeze out a few drops and call it done. Go for a full flush. Think of it like pressing the clean cycle on your body's plumbing. Want extra protection? Stay hydrated before intimacy. Make sure you and your partner are both practicing good hygiene. And empty your bladder fully before and after. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. Sex should be fun, not a one-way ticket to the pharmacy. So when the fireworks fade and the moment's over, make sure your next move is straight to the bathroom. Trust me, your future self will thank you, and if anyone ever asks why you dashed to the toilet so fast afterward, just smile and say, I like to finish strong.